What are you doing, Sam?
I put it all back together and I put this in, locked it all in, it was great, and didn't even think that when this goes in, this is the height that the buttons are to push the... Look, watch.
Ah, so you got to cut that so it's short like the old buttons one, eh?
Yeah, and there is like a thing you can lift up to give room for it. It's got like a adjustable thing, but there's only about that much room to play with in the lid, not that much. And so here was the length of the old one, so I'm going to have to cut the new ones the same length to work that out.
Sam is not a plumber. He looked up on YouTube how to fix his toilet, and yet here we are, fixed toilet. That's pretty amazing stuff. Walk into the kitchen where I presume he is going to cut that thing.
I don't know what to use.
Yeah, well, I don't have a Stanley knife or anything either. No. Maybe you're just going to put the old button in, Sam.
Yeah, maybe.
Anyway, he'll work it out. So we know what he's got to do. He's got to shorten that straw-looking thing so it'll press the button and trigger the thing down in the bottom. But at the moment, it's too long. I don't have anything really sharp or anything, but he's using a paint scraper and he seems to be having success.
Yeah, it's a bit gaudy, but I don't have my toolbox on me, and even then I don't have anything particularly sharp, even if I did. Cool. Have to clean that up. Sorry.
First there was apes, then they turned into Neanderthals, then they made fire and started building things, and here's an example of our was it Neanderthal man ways. He's found a tool, turned it into a cutting tool. And just like those half monkey men of old, he's cutting this straw so that it will flush the toot. Looks like it's worked.
Yep.
Like when a monkey made the first instruments. Now, we're going back to the toilet, is that right?
Yes. To get this back in, once again, very gaudy, but I don't have my toolbox to screw this in and out. It's got that big inlet. I've got to use a paper clip, or like a, what do you call this? All right. It takes ages though, so.
Stop filming for Neil.
Well, it literally, yeah.
Like the monkeys of old, he has now prepared this.
So, with my handy paperclip screwdriver, I've got one thing back in. Here's the other. We have liftoff.
Well, you can take a shit comfortably knowing that it will flush now. That is a win for the people. A win for Australia against the tyranny of evil.
That's it.